From one controversy onto another, the CBI today filed a new first information report in yet another scam in the Commonwealth Games saga.
This time charging Suresh Kalmadi's close aides Lalit Bhanot and Director General VK Verma over procurement of timer screens and scoreboards for the Games.
But they say others in the organising committee and the Sports Ministry were in the know and they alone shouldn't be targeted.
The noose tightening around Suresh Kalmadi. Today it was the turn of his closest aides as the CBI carried out early morning raids at the homes and offices of Organising Committee Secretary General Lalit Bhanot and Director VK Verma. Both have been named in an FIR along with a Swiss firm filed by the CBI for alleged financial irregularities in a 107 crore rupee contract to the Swiss firm for supplying scoreboards and match result systems.
Criminal conspiracy to cheat the Government of India in awarding contract to the said company for acquiring TSR system at exorbitant rates of rupees 107 crores.
But both Bhanot and Verma say that they alone were not responsible.
And we will continue to cooperate because all the decisions have been taken by the board.
VK Verma was also questioned some time ago about another suspect deal with AM Films and AM Car Hire.
This particular contract has been scrutinized by 5 committees. I mean, there cannot be more due diligence on a particular project than the steps which have been taken in this particular case.
For which Kalmadi's 3 other aides, T.S. Darbari, Sanjay Mahindru and J. Chandran are already in custody. All the officers who've been questioned or arrested in connection with the various CWG scams being probed by the CBI are considered close to Suresh Kalmadi. The big question then, how long can the CBI wait before it knocks on Kalmadi's door? In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.